Hello everyone, today we will show you how your favorite cars could look like if their designers were artificial intelligence. We wish you a pleasant viewing. And so let's go. The first car that we will consider is of course a BMW. We can say that the artificial intelligence picked up the colors and design in a very interesting way and skillfully combined it all. Let's move on. The next one you guessed it's Audi. Here the neural network did something incredible. I don't know about you, but I will buy everything for myself. With drones, the next version of the car from the neural network is Volvo. Of course, their front grille doesn't leave anyone indifferent. The last masterpiece of artificial intelligence is Chevrolet. Here, the neural network decided to show us the old versions, but all of you just look at how beautiful they are. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video in this format, write us about it in the comments and also write which car you liked the most.